Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Ihab Abdul Karim Bashir Ibrahim, and today I would like to present about the current trend in mobile computing. First of all, mobile computing is a technology that allows transmission of data, voice, and video via a computer or any other wireless enabled device without having to be connected to a physical link. The main concepts of the mobile computing involves the mobile communication, mobile hardware, and mobile software. Uh, For the classification of the mobile computing is not only limited to mobile phones, but there are various types available in the market that are built on a platform to support mobile computing. They are usually classified into the following categories. First of all is the personal digital assistant, PDA. The second one is the smartphone. And the third one is the tablet, PC, and iPad. The main advantages of mobile computing has changed the, the complete landscape of our day-to-day life. Following are the major advantages of the mobile computing. One, location flexibility. The second one, it saves time. Third one, enhanced productivity. Fourth one is ease of research. The fifth one is the entertainment. And the last one is streaming of business process. The current trends of mobile computing. First one is the global positioning positioning system, GPS. Second one is long-term evaluation, LTE. The third one is near field communication, NFC, and WiMAX. The last one is vertical fibers. In conclusion, today's computing has rapidly grown from being confined to a single location. With mobile computing, people can work from the comfort of any location to, they wish to, as long as the connection and the security concern are probably factored. In the same light, the presence of high-speed communication has also promoted the use of mobile computing. That's all about current mobile trends, and thank you for your attention.